tears, pain. You never left my side, you remained the same. And I'm so glad you loved me through my so glad that you love me. You loved me.
Hey gems, it's Tayshawn Miller, and today I will be showing you how to make a tapered crochet curly wig. This wig is made for one of my older clients. She wanted something similar to a tapered look. So I am just showing you right now the holes that are on this mesh net. They're larger on the side and they're smaller down the middle, which is perfect for a tapered cut because the sides don't need to be as full as the top. So right now I'm just explaining to you how don't put any crochet hair on the band, because what happens is when you put the crochet hair on the band, it squeezes it like so, and then it makes the cap a lot smaller, and then perhaps the cap may not fit. So what you want to do is go in those holes, and I usually like to do how you see me doing my finger. That's how I like to work with it. So I'm just going to be talking throughout this tutorial. Right now I am showing you all how the pieces look when you take them out the box initially. They are folded in half. I did not know that. I thought literally that they were that long. So now I unfolded it, and now you get to see the piece. But I am going to go ahead and cut them in half since I know it's going to be a taper cut along the side. So right now I am just showing you all what I have done so far, which is this. And remember, I did cut the hair in half. Now again, because it's a taper cut, I will be cutting it even lower than that. I'm going to probably cut off another 4 inches. So you guys can see how full it is. This is what I have left. Those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces there. And they haven't been cut yet. So roughly when I cut one piece in half, I was able to get about maybe 4 pieces. Sometimes 6 pieces depending on how small. I'm showing you how small I tore that piece there. So that would be one of the ones that I got about maybe 5 to 6 pieces from. But initially when I cut it in half, I usually get about 2 pieces from each half. And then of course I still have the 1 pack left right here. So right now I'm just explaining to you guys how I am going to go up in a mohawk form to complete this unit, and just showing you guys again how I'm going to go. Just make sure I go left, right, and fill in as I go. I found out you save less hair like that and it's not too bulky. What happens is when we just constantly go straight up, sometimes we'll just keep using the hair and we'll misjudge, then we'll run out, and then that's why we end up crocheting in 3 packs of hair, 4 packs of hair, which is actually like really too much because this hair is going to puff up anyways. I only used 2 packs of hair, which was good because it still was very puffy. So in the next clip here, I am finished with the wig. So all I'm going to do now is go in and cut it. Now the front part is super long because I did not cut that in half, only the sides. So the front was left as is and I just put the pieces in, and as you look, you can kind of see the mohawk type of fro. I mean, I'm sorry y'all, not mohawk, but the tapered cut kind of going along. Like I said, this is for an older client. So I'm just going to go ahead and try my best to hold my phone and just show you guys how I was clipping it. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Continue watching. Don't forget to thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and if you have any video requests, please drop them in my comment section. I love you all. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.